Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a star. Let's go. First, we'll start with the wheels, 2 big circles at the bottom. They help our car zoom around. Now let's draw the body of the car. Make it nice and smooth, like a race car. Don't forget the headlight in the front and the tail light in the back. Now let's draw the shiny windows. Door handles so we can hop in. And we're done. Now comes the best part, coloring. Let's paint the wheels black like racing tires. The bumpers and rims will sparkle with shiny silver. My favorite color is blue, so let's paint the body with a sparkling, shiny blue. Wow, it already looks amazing. Our car looks super awesome. The lights? Bright red, like cherries. The windows will shine golden yellow to make our car stand out, and the door handle will be fun and pink, just like bubblegum. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos. Bye!